Ever feel like your brain is a little rectangular triangle to figure out algorithms? Don't worry, you are not alone. Hi, I'm Rayan, and today we are going to unravel the mystery of algorithms one loop at a time. From shorting shocks to beating traffic jams. Algorithms are everywhere, and guess what? They don't have to be as scary as your Wi Fi bill at the end of the month. So grab your favorite snack, maybe a notebook, and let's dive into the world of logic, laughs, and learning. Spoiler alert, there's a lot less crying than coding. Ready to turn your spaghetti code into Machiavellian star logic? So now let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. Guys, let's talk about the algorithms, and from now the videos has been coming on the 30 minutes. Okay, all the video will become on the 30 minutes, and this video is also be in on 30 minutes. So like in the previous videos we talk about what is data structure. So in today's video, what is data structure and that all the things. So in today's video, I am telling about the algorithms, because in the previous video we did not learn about the algorithms in the detail. But in today's video, we are learning about the algorithm in detail. What is the algorithm? Why we use the algorithm? All the things. So let's start and let's talk about it. What is the algorithms in the DSA? So let's start without wasting any time and let's talk about what is the algorithms in DSA. Okay, and first of all, let me write one thing. Let me come on it here, and then I'm writing 2. Okay, so like that. Now let's talk about what are the algorithms. So now let's start without wasting any time. What is the algorithms? Algorithm is a step-by-step procedure for solving a problem or accomplishing a task in the context of data structures and algorithms. It is a one set of well-defined instructions for performing a specific computational task. Computational task means computer tasks, okay? And the algorithms are fundamental to computer science and play a very important role in the designing efficient solution for various problems. Okay, means that the algorithms are one fundamental to the computer science. All know what is the computer science, and play a very important role in designing efficient solutions and for various problems, like efficient solution for various problems and which problems has been come in the lead CodeWithPk and that type of website. And it understanding the algorithms is essential for anyone interested in mastering data structures and algorithms. So what is the algorithm? In this diagram I'm explaining you what is the algorithm. So now let me explain you what is the algorithm in this example. So let me make a one box. Okay, what is the algorithm? Input. The input has been came set of rules to obtain the expected output from the given input, then the output. This is called the algorithm. Means that when you give the one input, then it set the rules to obtain the expected output from the given input, then it will give you the output. This is called the algorithm. I know you do not understand from this diagram and what I am saying, but let me explain you. What is an algorithm? Now let me explain you in very detail. First of all, in this diagram it is telling me, first of all it give me first of all we write the input, then it is processing, in the center here it is processing, and then it give me the output. An algorithm is a finite sequence of well-defined instruction. What it is? An algorithm is a finite sequence of well-defined instruction that can use to solve a computational problem. It provides a step-by-step procedure that converts input into a desired output. Algorithms typically follow a logical structure. First, input. It is an algorithm which receives the input data. Number 2, processing. It is the algorithm which performs a series of operations on the input data. Number 3, output. It is the one algorithm which produces the desired output. First, how the algorithm works. First of all, it give you you give the input, the algorithm receive the input data. Then number two, it will be processing it. That when you give the input, so then when you run it, so it will first of all processing. The algorithm perform one series of operations on the input data. Then it give you the output. The algorithm produce the desired output. Then okay, input processing output is one timeline of a algorithm. Okay, what is the need of for algorithm? What is the need for algorithm? What is the need of algorithms? If you want to run an algorithm, so first of all, there are some needs for algorithms. Let me tell you. Algorithms are essential for solving a complex computational problems efficiently and effectively. They provide a systematic approach to solving a problems, means algorithms break down problems into smaller manageable steps. Number two, it optimizing the solution, means algorithms find the best or near optional solutions or to problems. Number three, it automating the tasks. Automating the tasks means that algorithm can automate the repetitive or complex tasks, saving time and effort. Okay, so first, if you want to learn algorithms, first of all you must know analysis of algorithms, means that analysis of algorithm is the process of evaluating the efficiency of algorithms, and it's focusing on mainly on the time and space complexity. This helps in evaluating how the algorithm's running time or space requirements grow as the size of the input increases. And we make in the future we make a one detailed video on about the analysis of algorithms, and we also do the quiz on analysis of algorithms. First, you must know this. Now, number two, mathematical algorithms. So, mathematical algorithms, let me explain you. Mathematical algorithms are used for analyzing and optimizing the data structures, and algorithms knowing basic concepts like divisibility means divide, LCM means less common factor. Okay, and then number two is DCD, and as divisibility, LCM and GCD, you must know the basics of divisibility, LCM and GCD, etc. Okay, and it can really help you understand how data structure work, and it really help, the math is very really help you how data structure work and improve your ability to design efficient algorithms. So if you want to learn a data structure and algorithm, so first of all you must know about mathematical algorithms, okay, like divisibility, LCM, GCD, like this. Okay, and we make a one detailed video in the future. We make a detailed video on the mathematical algorithms guide. Okay, so don't worry about it. Number two, practice problems on mathematical problems. Okay, we then in the mathematical algorithms and guide a detailed video, we also make a one in that video we also do the practice of problems on the mathematical algorithms in the future of the videos. Okay, in the upcoming videos. Okay, say that. Now number three, bitwise algorithm. Now in the number three, the bitwise algorithms. Okay, and now many people are thinking, what is the bitwise algorithm? So let me explain you. Like in the previous video, I told you about the algorithms things, but I did not explain you like bitwise algorithm, searching algorithm, these type of. But in this video, I am explaining you all the thing one by one, step by step. So in the number three, there is coming bitwise algorithm. So let me explain you what is the bitwise algorithm. So let's start. Bitwise algorithms are algorithms that operate on invisible bits of number, and in every algorithm there are coming the math. Okay, so in this algorithm there is also become the math. Let me show you. These algorithms manipulate the binary representation of a numbers, like shifting bits, setting or clearing specific bits of a number, and it perform a bitwise operation. In the bitwise operation there is coming AND, OR, XOR, and this AND, OR, XOR, this is the one math operations. Okay, so and if you want to learn a data structure, so your math will be very strong. If your math has been not strong, so you will not learn the data structures and algorithm. But when your math will be stronger, okay, so then you will easily learn the data structure and algorithms. Okay, bitwise in the data structure there are not any math. Okay, in the data structure I do not see the math very much. I see the math little bit, not very much. But in the algorithm I'm seeing the math very much. Okay, very. Okay, Bitwise algorithms are commonly used in low-level programming. Okay, in low-level programming, the bitwise algorithms has been used like cryptography, optimization tasks. Okay, in the cryptography and optimization tasks, it's used. Okay, commonly used where efficient manipulation of individual bits is required. And if you want, and in the upcoming videos we also make a one bitwise algorithms detail video on it, and in that video we also told you about we do a practice problems on bit magic, and we also do a quiz on bitwise algorithms. Okay, and you must know this bitwise algorithms are commonly used in low level programming, cryptography and optimization tasks. Okay, now number 3 I have told you about the bitwise algorithms. Now in the number 4 there is coming like searching algorithms. Now searching algorithms are used to find a specific element or item in a collection of data. These algorithms are widely used to retrieve the data efficiently from a large data set. And we also make a one detailed video on the searching algorithm. I told you I make a one detailed video on the searching algorithm. In that video, I told you about we do a practice problems on searching, and we also do a top searching interview questions and problems and quiz on searching algorithms. And the main in the Google, in the Microsoft, in the Amazon, the main focus is the question is asked you in the interview, there is asks you related to the algorithms and data structures. Okay, so that's why you must stronger your data structure and algorithm. But when you understand the data structures and algorithm, then you will be learn any language very easily. Okay, so that's why I please learn algorithms, data structure and algorithms. So then any language you will learn, it is easy for you. Okay, so now number 5, in the number 5 there is coming sorting algorithms. So what is the sorting algorithms? Sorting algorithms are used to arrange the elements of a list is in a specific order, such as numerical or alphabetical. Numerical means in the numbers, and in alphabetical means in alphabetical, like A, B, C, D, F, G, like this. Okay, it organized the terms in a systematic way, it making it easier to search for and access specific elements. So this is the work of the sorting algorithms, and I make a one detailed video on the sorting algorithms. Okay, in the future, and we also do a practice problems on sorting algorithm. We also make a one sorting interview questions and problems, and we also do a quiz on it. And the next video is upcoming on the arrays, and we go on the depth of the arrays. The arrays will be started from tomorrow, and it will be end in the 1 week. Okay, the arrays are very big because we are going in the depth of the DSA, so that's why the one chapter are very big. Okay, now number 6, recursion. So I know many people know what is the recursion because these are very popular. Recursion is one programming technique. Which type of programming technique? Let me tell you. Recursion is one programming technique where a function calls itself within its own definition, any definition. Okay, but it has been own definition. It is usually used to solve problems that can be broken down into smaller instances of the same problem. And we make a detailed video on the recursion algorithm. We guide on recursive algorithm. We also do a practice problems on recursion algorithm. I also told you the top 50 problems on recursion algorithm for interview, and we also do a quiz on recursion. Number 3, backtracking algorithm. Now what is the backtracking algorithm? Backtracking algorithm is derived from recursion algorithms, with the option of revert if a required solution fails. For example, in a case a solution fails, the program traces back to the moment where it failed and builds on another solution. So basically, it tries out all the possible solutions and finds the correct one. Now, and I also we make a one proper detailed video on the backtracking algorithms, and we do a practice problems on backtracking algorithm. And I also told you the top 20 backtracking algorithm interview questions, which will be asked you in the Amazon and Google if you are going to interview if you are going to do the interview. Okay, and I also told you the quiz on backtracking algorithm. Now number 8, divide and conqueror algorithm. Divide and conqueror algorithms follow a recursive strategy to solve problems by dividing them into smaller subproblems, solving two subproblems and combining the solution to obtain the final solution. First, and we also make our detailed video on guide on divide and conqueror algorithm. We also do the practice problems on divide and conqueror algorithm. We also do a quiz on divide and conqueror. Number 9, greedy algorithm. Greedy algorithm builds up the solution one piece at a time and chooses the next piece which gives the most obvious and immediate benefit. For example, which is the most optimal choice at that moment. So the problems we're choosing locally optimal also leads to the global solutions are best fit for greedy. First, yeah, we make a one detailed video on the greedy algorithms. We also practice problems on greedy algorithms. I told you about the top 20 greedy algorithm interview questions, and I also give the quiz on greedy algorithms. Now, in the I told you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now let's come on to the level 10. And the level 10 is on about dynamic programming. So many people are going to the dynamic programming. Many people are thinking let's come on to the dynamic programming, but let me tell you what is the dynamic programming. Dynamic programming is a one method. Which type of method? It's a method used to solve complex problems. And if you don't know what is the complex problem, what is the meaning of complex problem, so come on to the Google search here. What is meaning of complex problem? So, complex problems are problems that are difficult to define and solve because they have many causes, multiple solutions, and can lead to unintended consequences. So, there are complex problems are many type of solutions and very difficulty in its questions. But dynamic programming is when you use the dynamic programming, so it is easier to solve the multiple answers of a question in seconds. Okay, so dynamic programming is a method to solve a complex problem by breaking them into the simpler subproblems. By solving each subproblem only once and it is storing the results, it avoid the redundant computations, it leading to more efficient solutions for a wide range of problems. And we also make a detailed video on the dynamic programming, and we also practice the problems on dynamic programming. And I also told you the top 50 programming coding problems for interviews, and we also do a quiz on dynamic programming. Now I told you 1 till 10, so let's come on to the 11th. 11, graph algorithm. So many people are thinking what is the graph algorithm, so let me explain you. Graph algorithms. Graph algorithms are a set of techniques and methods used to solve problems related to graphs, which are a collection of nodes and edges. These algorithms perform various operations on graph, such as searching, traversing, find the shortest path. Okay, the algorithm perform various operations on graph. Okay, and such as searching, traversing, finding the shortest path, and determining the connectivity. They are essential for us for solving a wide range of real-world problems, including the network routing, social network analysis, and resource allocation. And we also make a detailed video on about guide on graph algorithms. And if I give you, and I told you about the practice problems on graph algorithms, and I also told you the top 50 graph coding problems for interviews. Now, number 12, pattern searching. Pattern searching is a fundamental technique in DSA. It's used to find occurrences of a specific pattern within a larger text. And the pattern for searching the algorithm It uses techniques like pre-processing to minimize the unnecessary comparisons, and it making the search faster. Okay. And we also make a one detailed video on the pattern searching guide, and in that video I also told you the practice problems on pattern searching. Now, number 13, third last, branch and bound algorithm. Branch and bound algorithm is a method. It's used in combinatorial optimization problems to systematically search for the best solution. It works by dividing the problem into smaller subproblems or branches, and then it eliminating the certain branches. It based on bounds on the optimal solution. This process continues until the best solution is found or all branches have been explored. And we also make a one detailed video on about the branch and bound algorithms. The number 4, geometric algorithms. Geometric algorithms are the set of algorithms that solve problems related to shapes, points, lines, and polygons. Geometric algorithms are essential for solving a wide range of problems in a computer science, such as intersection, detection, convex, Hall computation, and etc. And we also make a detailed video on the geometric algorithms, I'm saying, and we also practice on problem on geometric algorithms. So last not least, randomized algorithms. So randomized algorithms are algorithms, all you know, that use randomness to solve the problems. They make use of random input to achieve their goals, often leading to the simpler and more efficient solutions. These algorithms may not produce same result, but are particularly useful in situations when a probabilistic approach is acceptable. And we also make a detailed video on the randomized algorithms. So you can see it in today's video. I told you about the what is algorithms, and I told you 1 till 15 things what is need for algorithm, what is the need for algorithms. I told you about 1 till 15 what is the need for algorithms. So if you want to need algorithms, so you must know these things which I have told you: bitwise algorithm, searching algorithm, mathematical algorithms. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video about the algorithms. So if you enjoy this video, so now like this video, share friends, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss over these type of videos on the algorithm. Okay, but and let me tell you one more thing else. So which is the one more thing? Let me tell you one more thing is about now the next video has been coming about the array, and the array series has been and it in the 1 week. Okay, the array series are very big, so the array series will be ended in the 1 week. And come on to Google, search in my channel CodeWithPk, and we successfully, as we uploaded one video on about the DSA. Okay, so click first of all search on my channel, click onto my channel, and when my channel admin came, please complete a 9,100 subscriber. Okay, and I uploaded 30 minutes video on the DSA and data structure, and this is our first video on a DSA and data structure, so go and see it. And then come on to the playlist, and when you come on to the playlist, come on to the data structure deep dive crack the code playlist, and in this playlist I'm telling you all the things about the data structure from starting to end. And please see my this playlist and bookmark this playlist and access it, so you will be do not miss my any video on about the data structure and algorithm, and see my video and like my videos. Okay, so now let me give the outro of this video in the big screen. And now my all the videos on the data structure and algorithm will coming on the 30 minutes, not less than 30 minutes. Okay, and exceptional video will become 29 or 28 minutes, but I will do my hard to my video will become 30 minutes. Okay, and from now my all the videos have been coming on 30 minutes. One video is coming in the morning and one video is coming in the night. Okay, and I know tomorrow I do not upload a video on the night, so sorry for that. But today from now I will be follow the rules of this channel. Okay, So now let me give the out of this video in the basic screen, and please like this video and share with your friends what you are doing. And if you do not know how to share my video, so come on to Google, search in my channel CodeWithPk, and when you search in my channel, first of all open my video by the name of DSA and data structures, and then click onto the share, and when you click onto the share, click onto the copy, or you will be share it here in the WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn. Copy the link and then paste it where you are sharing my video. Okay, then share my video. But anyways, now let me give the out of this video in the basic screen. So let's move toward onto the basic screen, and let's get out of this very beautiful video. And please see my videos about the Airbnb clone I have uploaded, and then I uploaded a responsive restaurant website, and these all the videos. See my these videos, and I uploaded a 8 hours course on the Python, and so go and see that also. And I made it on Amazon also, so go and see it. PayPal clone, many type of clone we have built it on this channel. And if you want a new course, if you want to have a new course, if you are very interested in it, so tell me in the comment section below. I will be bring it for you. Okay, and tell me how is my full stack web development playlists are coming, how is my full stack web development series are we going, if you are liking it or not. Okay, so now and how is my thumbnail of my DSA, so tell me in the comment section below of it. And why you are thinking in my thumbnail why I write Microsoft, Amazon and Google and Facebook logos. Why? Because and I only and why I write C++, JavaScript, Java and Python in my playlist. It is only these 4 logos. Why? Because C++, JavaScript and Java and Python, this is the main language which you must know the basic logic of it to learning a data structure and algorithm. If you write which language is very important to learn that. Now if I write it, so there is coming and DSA. So there is coming, here you can see there is coming C++, Java, Python and JavaScript. You can see it. So that's why I upload here C++, JavaScript, Python and Java. Okay, and you are thinking why I write Microsoft, Amazon, Facebook and Google logos, because Amazon, Microsoft and Google and Facebook, in these 4 companies, this is called the FANG companies. In these FANG companies, these all the questions has become related to data structures and algorithms. The Google, Facebook and Amazon and Microsoft has focused on the focuses on the data structure and algorithm. It gives you the questions in the data structures and algorithm, and then you will be solve it. In the lead code camp, the questions have been coming in the data structure and algorithm like time, complexities, arrays, strings, and you will be solve it in any language. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you, please strong your data structure and algorithm. When one time you strong your data structure and algorithm, so any language you'll be learned very easily as. Okay, so but anyways, now I hope you enjoy this video. So now let me give the out of this video in the big screen, and you are thinking I'm saying I'm give the out of this video in the big screen, I'm give the out of this big screen, but I'm not giving I'm not going to the outro screen, but now I'm going it. So now let me give the out of this video in the big screen. So let's move toward onto the big screen, and now let me give the outro of this video in the big screen. So let's move to the big screen and let's give the outro of this video. And there you have it, folks. Algorithms aren't so scary after all. Just a little logic, some patience and maybe a snack break along the way. Remember, every complex algorithm was once just a simple idea. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hey, hit that notification bell. It's the closest thing to an algorithm that guarantees you will never miss out on my videos. Until next time, keep coding, keep laughing, and remember, debugging is just like solving a murder mystery. But you are the murderer. So see ya.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this,
I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. This